The motherboard is the most basic component of your computer. They come in several sizes and configurations, so you'll need to select the one that best suits your needs. For our purposes, we selected the EVGA E760 because it supports our Intel i7 processor, fast DDR3 RAM, has multiple high-speed PCI Express slots for video crunching expansion, and a plethora of ports like USB, FireWire, and eSATA. This motherboard is an EATX motherboard. That tells us the type of case that it fits into. Since we purchased a full-size case, we should have no problem fitting it in. First, determine where all of your screw-down points are on the motherboard. There should be accompanying holes in the case you purchased. Locate the brass screw attachments that came with your case and screw them down in the holes that match the hole layout on your motherboard. Take the accompanying port panel that shipped with the motherboard and pop it in the back of the case. Lining up the motherboard with the screw attachments and the panel you just installed, proceed to screw down the motherboard. Use the appropriate screws as indicated by your manual and make sure each is securely tightened. When you're all done, you can begin installing your components. So to review, first decide on a motherboard and case size. Then secure screw attachments to the case after determining the hole layout. Insert the rear port panel into the case, and then screw down the motherboard securely. For the IDG News Service, I'm Nick Barber.